So why aren't we talking about this keyboard enough? It's a budget 75% Trimode, south-facing gasket-mounted keyboard with a knob. Oh wait, that's not exciting anymore. I know what you're gonna say, but knobs are so last year. Yeah, well, you're right, but let's give this key a chance. I know that when people ask for recommendations for a good budget 75%, people would most likely say ACO 5075 or Fecker IK75 Pro. But I've only seen a couple people recommend this, the James Donkey A3, at least in the keyboard community in the Philippines. So let's talk about it, shall we? This keyboard ticks all the boxes I look for in a key. It's 5-pin hot swappable south-facing sockets, has Trimode connectivity, has RGB, a knob, is gasket mounted, and has a battery life of 3000 mAh. Oh, and did I mention it comes with a PC plate and soft and bouncy gaskets already? And you get all that for around $64 or something like 3,000 pesos. If you're residing in the Philippines, this board is available on Shopee or Lazada. You can get this board in 3 color variations: black, white, and something that they call rose. I forgot to record the unboxing, but the board came with a cleaning kit, a brush, and this air puffer thing. The other stuff included are tools to disassemble the board, a keycap puller, a switch puller, and the dongle and cable. Now, judging the aesthetics of the board, its top case is black, while the bottom case is orange for some reason. Not bad for me because it goes with my setup, but I can't speak for other people. The bezels are a bit thick for my liking, and the edges are sharp, if that makes sense. The knob also has this kind of grip which I like because it feels nice to the touch. Now looking under the board, it's pretty standard with the label in the middle, 4 rubber feet, and 2 level feet for those who want to adjust the height to their liking. At the top, you'll see the switch slider for when you're gonna be using this wireless via Bluetooth or dongle, or if you're gonna be using this wired. The A3 is very easy to mod because of this. Screwed top case to bottom case. It guarantees easy access to those who plan on modding this board to achieve a sound profile they like. Opening up the board, you'll see the polycarbonate plate, an EVA plate foam and switch foam, and the PCB. It's south-facing 5-pin hot swappable Kale sockets, and I think this also supports screw-in stabilizers. They included a silicone foam dampener, which does a great job in reducing the hollowness of the board, and it gives it a heavier, more premium feel. Alright, with all that being said, here's a stock sound test. Not gonna lie, the stab surprised me. It comes pre-lubed, although there's still some ticking, but not to the point that it's annoying. As for the typing feel, well, it was actually nice. The gaskets look like they're made of silicone, but they're soft unlike other silicone gaskets. In my opinion, you won't need to change these to Poran gaskets because the board is already flexy. So my final thoughts about this board? Well, you get a lot of features for something under $70. It's very well worth it. It only requires minimal modding like the stabs, your typical Tempest mod, and like switching the silicone case dampener with your preferred foam because it mutes the board too much that it sounds a bit thin. I didn't like that the switch foam was taped to the PCB because if you're unlucky, the tape isn't gonna come with the foam if you plan on switching it with a PE foam of your own. I'm gonna go out and say that this board is perfect for beginners who want to try modding because of how easy it is to open. I would actually buy one if I were a 75% type of person, but for now, I'm gonna stick with 65. Anyways, that's all for this video. Thanks for watching.